Something terrifying happens after the age of 80. Not slowly. Not gently. And not the way most people think. Your body doesn't simply grow older, it crosses invisible biological checkpoints, silent thresholds that permanently rewire how you exist inside your own skin. According to research published in The Lancet Healthy Longevity, once the human body reaches 80 years of age, it enters a new biological phase. A phase where entire systems don't weaken, they transform. Muscles stop behaving like muscles. The brain stops processing reality the way it used to. Sleep fractures into unpredictable fragments of darkness and confusion. And here's the most disturbing part. These changes are automatic. It doesn't matter if you exercised for 50 years. It doesn't matter if you ate perfectly. It doesn't matter how disciplined or healthy you were. Once you cross 80, your biology flips a switch. Some of these changes protect you. Others quietly accelerate decline, and most people never realize it's happening. In this video, you'll discover the 5 biological transformations that occur in every human after age 80. Warning. Sign number 3 is so subtle that even experienced doctors frequently miss it, yet it determines how peacefully you sleep and how long your mind remains intact. Before we continue, understand this clearly. This video is for educational awareness only. If you recognize any of these signs in yourself or someone you love, medical evaluation is not optional, it is critical. Now, let's begin. Sign number 5, your tongue begins to die. After 80, food doesn't just lose flavor. Your tongue physically starts disappearing. By this age, the average human has already lost nearly 70% of their taste buds. These microscopic sensory organs, the ones that once let you taste sweetness, bitterness, danger, flatten, collapse, and vanish. Each taste bud lives only 10 days. For most of your life, your body replaces them effortlessly. But after 80, regeneration fails. Your body lets them die faster than it replaces them. What's left isn't just bland food, it's sensory blindness. And this blindness is dangerous. Taste buds don't exist for pleasure. They exist to protect you from spoiled food, toxins, excess salt. When they vanish, the brain panics. You unknowingly add more sugar, more salt, more extremes, chasing flavors that no longer exist. A Harvard Health review found older adults with severe taste loss were 40% more likely to develop diabetes and hypertension, not from aging, but from sensory deception. And when saliva production collapses, which it does after 80, even rich food tastes like cardboard. Most people don't notice the danger. They simply eat less. And slowly, they starve. Sign number 4, your skin forgets how to heal. Wrinkles are cosmetic. This is not. After 80, your skin doesn't heal slowly, it heals incorrectly. A cut that once closed in days now lingers for weeks. Bruises appear without memory. Infections take hold faster. A 2022 Nature aging study revealed something shocking. Skin cells lose their molecular memory. They forget the instructions for repair. The fibroblasts, the cells responsible for rebuilding tissue, arrive late, confused, or not at all. Collagen production collapses. Blood flow weakens. Wounds stay open. By age 80, your skin is 20% thinner and dramatically weaker. This isn't clumsiness. It's a system failure. And slow healing isn't harmless, it gives bacteria time to invade. Skin infections in adults over 80 last 3 times longer than in middle age. Sign number 3, your sleep clock shatters. This is the most misunderstood transformation, and one of the most dangerous. After 80, your brain's internal clock loses contact with time itself. You wake at 3 a.m. for no reason. You fall asleep in daylight. Night becomes fragmented, unpredictable. This isn't insomnia. It's neurological desynchronization. Your eyes absorb less light. Your brain receives weaker signals. The neurons controlling sleep literally die. The result? Your body no longer knows when to repair itself. And when sleep breaks, the brain's waste removal system fails. Toxic proteins, the same ones linked to Alzheimer's, accumulate instead of being cleared. Studies show seniors with disrupted circadian rhythms face triple the risk of cognitive decline. Sign number 2, your muscles start eating themselves. This is called sarcopenia, and it's one of the most lethal processes of aging. After 80, muscle loss accelerates even in active people. Your body continues breaking muscle down, but stops rebuilding it. Hormones vanish. Protein synthesis collapses. Your muscles are dismantled for spare parts, amino acids redirected to keep vital organs alive. This doesn't just weaken you, it destabilizes your nervous system. Falls increase. Balance fails. Mortality doubles. And most people don't notice because the loss happens quietly. Sign number 1, your brain rewires itself to survive. This is the most unsettling transformation of all. By age 80, you've lost nearly 20% of your brain's white matter, the communication highways between brain regions. So the brain does something extraordinary. It builds detours, new pathways, backup routes, improvised connections. You still think, but slower. Memories surface unpredictably. Thoughts lose their thread. This is not always dementia. It's neurological survival mode. Your brain prioritizes emotion over calculation, connection over speed, meaning over efficiency. But rewiring comes at a cost: confusion, emotional swings, mental fog. These fluctuations scare families, but they're often adaptive, not degenerative. What to do next? Critical. If you recognize multiple signs, document everything. Schedule a full medical evaluation. Demand proper testing, not dismissal. Act immediately on nutrition, sleep, movement, and mental stimulation. These transformations are universal, but their severity is not.